Good morning, students. Our today's topic is indicators from lesson 5, acids, bases and salts. We all know that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. But we cannot taste all substances to find whether they are basic in nature or acidic in nature. It is because some substances are harmful to us. Now the question arises, how do we find the nature of any substance without tasting it? To find the nature of the substance, we use indicators. Indicators are special substances which have different colors in acidic and basic mediums. Thus, they are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. These indicators are also known as acid-base indicators. How do the indicators work? The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. Indicators are of two types. Naturally occurring indicators like litmus, China rose petals, red cabbage, turmeric, and number 2, human-made indicators like phenolphthalein solution and methyl orange. Litmus as an indicator. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is a dye extracted from lichens, which is the symbiotic relationship between algae and fungus. The solution of litmus is in distilled water is mauve, that is purple in color. This solution is also called neutral litmus solution, as distilled water is a neutral solution. Litmus is available in the form of thin paper strips, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Acids turn blue litmus paper red and bases turn red litmus paper blue. How does a litmus solution work? When neutral litmus solution is added to an acidic solution, it turns red. When neutral litmus solution is added to some basic solution, it turns blue. When neutral litmus solution is added to some neutral solution, it does not change its color. Litmus solution is available in the laboratory in the form of red litmus solution and the blue litmus solution. Now, how to make the blue litmus solution and the red litmus solution? To make the blue litmus solution, a few drops of base are added to the neutral litmus solution, and to make the red litmus solution, a few drops of acid are added to the neutral litmus solution. Now, what is neutral litmus solution? The solution of litmus in distilled water is, you all know, that mauve or purple in color, so it is known as a neutral litmus solution. Acid changes a blue litmus solution red in color, and base change red litmus solution blue in color. Turmeric is another natural indicator in powdered form. Turmeric is a bright yellow dye obtained from a plant. Turmeric is used as an indicator in the form of turmeric paper. We can prepare the turmeric paper in the following way. Let us take a teaspoonful of turmeric powder in a plate and add a little amount of alcohol and make a paste. Now let us spread the paste on a paper and let it dry. The yellow paper thus obtained is the turmeric paper. We can cut thin strips of the turmeric paper and used as indicator. Now I have taken here a base, that is the calcium hydroxide, and acid, lemon juice, and a neutral solution, that is the sugar solution. Bases turn the yellow turmeric paper red. This is sugar solution which has no effect on turmeric paper. This is the lemon juice, which is an acid. It also has no effect on turmeric paper. We use a large number of substances in our daily life. Turmeric solution as a natural indicator is used to determine whether a substance is acid or base. Here I have taken washing soda, vinegar, baking soda, curd, lemon juice and shampoo to taste whether the substances are acidic or basic. Let me add a teaspoonful of turmeric solution in washing soda, and what we will see? We will see the color changes into dark reddish brown in color. That means washing soda is a base. Washing soda is sodium carbonate. Now turmeric solution is added to vinegar, but the color is yellow. So vinegar is acidic in nature as it contains acetic acid. The turmeric solution is added to baking soda. Here the color is changes into dark reddish brown in color. Because baking soda is a base, it is sodium bicarbonate. Now the turmeric solution is added to curd. Curd contains lactic acid, so there is no change in color. Now the turmeric solution is added to the lemon juice. Here is also no change in color because lemon juice contains citric acid. Lastly, I have added turmeric solution to shampoo. Shampoo is a base, but it is also slightly acidic due to presence of citric acid. China rose indicator is a natural indicator. It is prepared from the petals of China rose flower. Let us take some petals of China rose flower and dip these petals in warm water for some time until the color of the water becomes light pink in color. After that, we should filter the solution and we will get light pink filtrate, which is known as China rose indicator. Here I have taken acidic solution, that is lemon juice, a base, that is calcium hydroxide, and a neutral solution, that is sugar solution. Now let me add few drops of China rose indicator in the acid, that is the lemon juice. What we will see? We will see the acidic solution turn pink China rose indicator little bit dark pink in color. Now let me add a few drops of China rose indicator in the base, that is the calcium hydroxide. What we will see? We will see the calcium hydroxide, that is the base, it turns green in color. So what we can say? We can say basic solution turn pink China rose indicator green. Now let us add a few drops of China rose indicator in the neutral solution, that is the sugar solution. What we will observe here? We will observe that there is no change in color of the neutral solution. So we can conclude that China rose indicator has no effect on neutral substances. Phenolphthalein is an organic dye. Phenolphthalein indicator is prepared by dissolving the phenolphthalein dye in alcohol. Its solution is colorless and it is the human-made indicator. Basic solutions or bases change colorless phenolphthalein solution pink. Phenolphthalein solution remains colorless in acidic or neutral solution. If we take in a test tube the colorless phenolphthalein solution and add there a few drops of sodium hydroxide with the help of a dropper, then what we will see? We will see the sodium hydroxide when is added to the colorless phenolphthalein solution, that is the indicator, then it changes its color to pink color, that is from colorless to the pink color. Methyl orange is a synthetic indicator, that means it is the human-made indicator. It has orange color in neutral solution. It turns red in acidic solution and yellow in basic solution.